I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and warranty, because some fixes void coverage. Power the watch off, remove the band, and place it on a flat, non-static surface. Next, open the back carefully with the correct tri-point driver. This prevents stripped screws. Once the case is loose, use a soft brush to clear any visible debris from the speaker grill. You do this now because grime commonly causes muffled sound. Cleaning first avoids unnecessary teardown later. With the back open, carefully disconnect the battery connector to avoid short circuits. Keep track of screw locations. You then use a lint-free cloth lightly dampened with 90% isopropyl, dab, do not pour, and gently wipe the speaker mesh and nearby components. If debris is embedded, a soft brush combined with short bursts of low-pressure canned air dislodges particles. Once clean, visually inspect the speaker flex cable and liquid contact indicators. Corrosion or bent contacts explains many failures. You reattach the battery connector, reseat the speaker flex cable, and replace the back cover with screws torqued evenly. Uneven torque can warp seals and cause new problems. Boot the watch and play an audio test tone and a voice memo. Listen for clarity and correct balance. If sound is restored, ensure the case seal is intact to maintain water resistance. If muffling persists, replace the speaker module or stop and contact Apple if your device remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.